Prashant Kishore, a candidate for the Bankipur by Poland, Bihar, has assets worth 96 crore rupees, according to his election affidavit. In the affidavit filed before the returning officer, Kishore declared movable assets worth 22.19 crore and immovable assets to the tune of 73.87 crore. His wife Janvi Das, a medical practitioner from Assam, owns 89.51 crore rupees in movable assets and 12.42 crore in immovable property. Kishore, a post-strategist turned politician, is seeking to win the seat vacated by BJP chief Nitin Abhin. A couple of months ago, the BJP has fielded Neeraj Kumar Sinha, a 32-year-old BJP's Yuva Morcha leader, after Abhishek Kumar Banti withdrew from the contest. Rumi is there with us. Rumi, the financial status of Prashant Kishore now has been revealed. Do break us, help the viewers get a breakdown of his assets.
Right in front of my screen, I have the ECI page where Prashant Kishore has officially supplied his affidavit. His application was uploaded on the 13th of July 2026, as you can see right here, and I'll open the affidavit for our viewers as well. Let's take a look. He has in hand 65,570 rupees. Meanwhile, his wife, Mrs. Janvi Das, has 1,95,200 rupees in hand. Let's talk about their deposits. Prashant Kishore's fixed deposits have 7,26,000 rupees, 6,09,000 rupees, 28,000 rupees, 2 crore 30 lakh rupees, 2 crore 70 lakh rupees, and these are the FDs that Prashant Kishore has, of course, deposited money in. Meanwhile, his wife has one of rupees 5 lakhs, another of 5 lakhs, another of 40 lakh rupees, then a 17 lakh rupee FD, then a 67 lakh rupees FD, then 20 lakhs as well, 26 lakhs. So they've, of course, deposited a lot of money in fixed deposits as well. His son, he only has one dependent who's 16-year-old son, Devik Bhardwaj. He also has FDs to his name. One is of rupees 3 lakhs, another is of rupees 6 lakhs. Then comes the 97,968 rupee FD, and then another which is 21,313. Let's talk about his investment in bonds, debentures, shares and units in companies. If you talk about his mutual fund investment, it all total boils down to rupees 63,44,737 rupees. Meanwhile, his wife's, again, the amount in mutual funds is higher. It's at 1 crore 24 lakh 72,270 rupees. If you talk about his investment in postal savings, NSS, insurance policies, the entire amount at maturity is going to be 19 lakh rupees. Another policy shows the maturity amount to be 5 crore 34 lakhs. His wife, meanwhile, has one of 58 lakh rupees in PPF. And there's another book value of shares which of course in surplus is 95 crore rupees. Let's talk about again his personal loans. He has loans of 8 crore 31 lakh rupees. Meanwhile, his wife also has one of 41 lakh 88,000 rupees. He has a gold emerald ring which is a point a lot of people are currently getting interested in. This gold ring costs 1,35,000 rupees. It weighs 0.6 grams. His wife also has, of course, declared all her gold assets. They all come at.
Much for sharing those updates with us from the affidavit so far. And viewers, news now coming in from Kerala.